Welcome to the best picks. The best UV umbrella is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone serious about sun protection. These compact umbrellas offer a shield against the sun's harmful UV rays, making them ideal for sunny days. Whether you're at the beach, strolling through the city, or simply enjoying a park, a UV umbrella provides a convenient and effective way to stay safe from sun exposure. Number 5. Cuby Flowers UV Sun Umbrella. This compact and stylish umbrella is designed for both sun and rain. It's perfect for anyone looking for reliable protection from the elements all year round. The Cuby umbrella opens to 107 centimeters and weighs only 0.77 pounds. It folds down to a compact 28 centimeters, making it easy to carry in your bag. It's designed for convenience. Featuring a special vinyl layer technology, this umbrella blocks 99.9% of UV rays. The high-density, waterproof fabric ensures you stay dry on rainy days. It's great for sensitive skin. With a one-button design, the umbrella opens and closes automatically. Closing it is simple and easy. Just follow the tutorial. The Cuby umbrella is a great gift for loved ones. It's ideal for Christmas, Mother's Day, or any special occasion. It comes with a storage bag for easy carrying. Cuby is committed to providing the best products and service. If you have any questions, please contact us. It also comes with a 90-day warranty. What we like. This umbrella boasts a beautiful design, making it a perfect accessory. It offers protection from both sun and rain, ensuring you're prepared for any weather. If you're looking for a versatile and fashionable umbrella that fits easily into your bag, you should consider this one. What people say. It actually does help with UV protection. My little umbrella performed perfectly, shielding me from the sun and a major sunburn. Being compact, it fits in luggage. This is well made, and the perfect choice in lieu of a hat or two, especially when traveling. Number 4. G4 Free UPF 50+ Travel Umbrella. This umbrella offers UPF 50+ UV protection, shielding you from the sun's harmful rays. It's designed for travel, making it a convenient choice for any adventure. The silver coating on this umbrella effectively blocks the sun. It provides excellent protection, keeping you safe and comfortable under the sun. This umbrella is built to withstand windy conditions. Its robust design ensures it remains intact, providing reliable protection. This travel umbrella is easy to carry and store. It's the perfect companion for your travels, offering both sun and wind protection. The umbrella comes in 2 sizes to suit your needs. Choose the size that best fits your requirements for optimal coverage and convenience. What we like. This umbrella provides excellent UV protection with its UPF 50+ rating. Its sturdy construction makes it windproof, and the auto open and close feature adds convenience. If you are looking for a reliable umbrella that can withstand strong winds and protect you from the sun, it is a great choice. What people say. They cut the heat by blocking the sun and provide UV protection. The silver fabric was fantastic for bouncing the heat off and keeping me cool. This umbrella protects my skin and provides coolness under any sunlight, especially the intense sunlight. Number 3. G4 Free UPF 50+ Travel Umbrella. This umbrella features a canopy made of 100% polyester with a silver coating. It reflects heat to keep you cool and blocks 99.1% of harmful UVA and UVB rays. It keeps you safe from the sun and rain. The umbrella is 42 inches in arcade and collapses to just 11 inches. It's small enough to fit in your briefcase, backpack, or luggage. It also comes with a wrist loop and a storage case for easy carrying. Made with fiberglass, this umbrella is lightweight, flexible, and sturdy. If the wind flips it inside out, don't worry. It can be easily flipped back without breaking. This umbrella opens and closes automatically with the press of a button. It's perfect for quick access when entering a car or building. It's a must-have for everyone. The umbrella is built with strong fiberglass material for durability. We are confident in its quality and offer a 12-month warranty. You can trust it. What we like. This umbrella offers UPF 50+ protection, shielding you from harmful UV rays. It's designed to be compact and easy to carry, perfect for travel. With its auto open and close feature, it's incredibly convenient. If you are a frequent traveler who values both sun protection and ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. It cools down and protects you from the sun. The umbrella blocked out the sun completely and provided a cool shade. It wasn't like my regular umbrella where I'd still feel hot under it. The reflective outer prevents the sun's rays from coming through, which gives me more confidence to go out and about. Number 2. ESUFEIR Mini Travel Umbrella, Beige. This mini umbrella is incredibly lightweight, weighing only 10 ounces and measuring just 5.5 inches when closed. It's designed to fit perfectly in your bag, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. The umbrella features a black coating inside that provides UPF 50+ protection, blocking 99% of UV rays. It keeps you cool and protected from the sun's harmful rays during the summer. Not only does it protect you from the sun, but the outside waterproof coating also keeps you dry in the rain. This versatile umbrella is a must-have for any weather. Constructed with 6 ribs of fiberglass and a high-strength iron shaft, this umbrella is built to withstand gentle breezes. It's designed to be both lightweight and durable for long-lasting use. When opening, keep your fingers off the button and push the plastic slider until you hear a click. After closing, organize the umbrella compactly to fit back in its case. We prioritize your satisfaction. If you have any questions about the product, please contact us, and we'll respond within 12 hours. We are here to help. What we like. This mini umbrella is designed to be incredibly compact, fitting easily into your purse. It offers UPF 50+ protection, ensuring you're shielded from the sun's rays. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around. If you like a small and portable umbrella that you can always have on hand, you should consider this one. What people say. It's compact and can fit in your pocket and lightweight and easy to carry. Easy to open and close. It's so small, which is perfect. Number 1. Cuby UV Compact Folding Umbrella. This is the Cuby UV Compact Folding Umbrella. It's designed for both rain and sun protection. It's a great companion for your daily commute or travel. The umbrella is lightweight and easily portable. You can effortlessly carry it in your bag. It's perfect for those unexpected weather changes. This umbrella offers both rainproof and 99% UV protection. It features a black anti-UV coating. It keeps you safe from the sun and rain. It is a manual travel umbrella. It is easy to open and close. This simple design ensures its durability. The Cuby UV umbrella is ideal for travel. Its compact size makes it easy to pack. It is a must-have accessory for any trip. What we like. This umbrella is designed to be lightweight and easy to carry. It offers reliable UV protection. If you prefer a simple, manual umbrella that's easy to handle and provides essential sun protection, this is a great choice. What people say. The umbrella is compact and easy to carry around. It effectively blocks the sun's rays. The design is sleek and modern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.